Today we're gonna do slimy sugary crush. Okay, so it's like a smoothie milkshake, and then it comes with all of these modeling clay. I don't know what these are, but these are sprinkles, cup, and here's are the molds for the modeling clay, and here are more sprinkles.
Okay, let's open it up.
Oh no! This is a lot of stuff.
Very neatly organized box.
And there's more that you can collect.
Yeah, they got donuts and cakes.
Instructions, and here are these. Oh, they have like waffles. This is the one that we have.
Yeah, the smoothie.
Milkshake, I don't know. Donuts, macaroon, cake, and pie.
Awesome.
Wow, there's a lot. Okay, it's telling us what to do.
Okay, step 1, assemble the milkshake cup. So you open up box A.
Box A
Box A.
has a cup. This is the cutest cup in the world. It even has like a little lid if you see. I hope you can see.
Hold on. It's a zip bag.
Oh, I love zip bag stuff.
You know?
I feel like I broke it.
No. The packing is really nice inside.
Like I broke it.
No.
It should come like this?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Look, here's the instructions. You put those two pieces together, then you stick it into the base.
Okay.
Here's one cup.
I will shove you in. Okay.
This is step 2. Take out slimy frosting. Wrap and press it around the rim.
This is number
Empty
B.
sprinkles into bowl.
B. It's B, I think. Is
Then
it B?
dip rim into sprinkles. 2 and 6.
And we need a bowl. Yeah.
And
I
a
think
bowl.
this is our bowl.
No, this is the bowl.
Oh, yeah.
Now you're gonna take that out and make
The
it.
sprinkles.
You go. No. This. Take that out. Stretch it into a skinny line and wrap it around here like it's going around the rim.
Ew, it's sticky.
Ugh, it is very stringy. Oh my gosh.
It's sticky.
It's extremely sticky and stringy.
Yeah. I don't know what my dad means. Sometimes he's confusing. It's glue. It's glue.
This is a lot more
It's glue. It's
slimy
glue.
than I expected.
It's glue, Daddy. It's glue.
I don't know how we're even gonna get this out of the
It's
package.
glue. It's glue. My dad does not even know it's glue. It's seriously glue. It's seriously glue.
Well, it's supposed to be something that you can mold
Yeah.
out.
Yeah, but glue's one of the
Oh.
ingredients.
It's so slimy.
Okay, Daddy, let's just dump it in the bowl.
No, that's not where it goes.
Okay, put it around.
Yeah, here, do you want to try to take that off of me and put it around the rim?
Now I got it.
Oh, the bottom of the cup fell off.
It feels so weird, guys. It's like plastic, but then sticky, but then stringy, but then all kinds of feel. I don't think you would never want to do this in your life.
Parents, if you're doing this, just keep in mind what your kids are wearing. They might get messy.
Yeah, because I'm wearing a bright
And
top.
where they're doing it. Because I'm messy and I'm an adult.
And me too. And I thought I had some glue on me.
Well, you almost did. Don't lean into this.
I do have glue on my hand, but I forgot. I found my outfit. This is so sticky. I'm gonna
Yeah,
take
it's less slime and less like she's saying that, like a thick glue.
Yeah.
Oh, and it is getting a little bit better over time. I think as it maybe acts with the air, it's starting to thicken up a bit.
How do I get this off me? Yeah. This is gross.
This is just the first of many bags. I'm not looking forward to the rest.
I think we're supposed to do like a dribble pattern. Yeah, we are. We're supposed to do a dribble pattern.
The instructions, it looks almost like they're using Play-Doh, but this is definitely not what we have. Here, get the cup back in there.
Yeah, this is sticky.
This might be all that we can get out of the bag here. There's still a bit more, but it's so stuck in there that...
Yeah, there's like so much in there left.
It's very, very stringy and sticky.
And I don't know what, but in the videos, it's not that sticky.
Yeah, there's an ad for this on YouTube you can find if you just search Slimy Sugar Crush. And in that ad, it looked almost like Play-Doh. Set the cup down.
Maybe we're getting the wrong thing. Because I'm not sure.
Okay, let's
but
go.
Let's
go.
I guess we have to say this is a finish for this. Look at me. Guys, you never want to do this in your life.
Much messier than I anticipated.
Yeah, me too. It's much messier. Are these sprinkles even eatable?
I don't know, but I wouldn't eat them. It's none of this stuff you can eat.
Okay, so you can't eat the sprinkles.
Yeah, I'd say no.
It looks so real. Oh yeah, if I touch them, are plastic.
Yeah, I think I can see they're just little plastic bits.
Oh no, or like a little. You feel like rubber too, but you can't really squish it.
Okay,
Yeah.
now spread these around in here, and now what you're gonna do is coat the rim, kind of like
This is getting less sticky. It's drying, Daddy.
kind of like a margarita rim.
No.
You're gonna turn this over and stick it in there, okay?
What?
Turn the cup over and put it upside down in there.
Oh, I never seen someone ever do.
Yeah.
This is what my daddy's saying.
Yeah.
My daddy's very
You
weird.
can kind of twist it on the edge. Oh, the bottom fell off.
And this is what my daddy's saying to do. And then we made this.
Yeah, there you go. Now
I'm just gonna add more dribble
bring it down
detail.
to show on camera. You've now got a rim.
Sprinkles on it. I want to eat these, but I know I can't.
No, you can't. Step 3, fill the milkshake. Open and fill 2 packs of slime milkshake number 3 into the cup.
There's a sprinkle inside of it. There's a sprinkle inside
That's
of it.
okay.
Yeah.
Package number 3. We put these 2. Oh, so it's pink and white. I think we put the pink first and then the white on top. Or how do you want to do it?
No, we have to mix them together.
It shows it mixing them. Yeah, they get it kind of like swirled.
I know how you could do it. You have to stick them together and then swirl them around, and that's how you make it.
Yeah, don't over mix them though.
Okay.
But hold on. Before you do it, squeeze the slime down from the top a bit. That might help.
I don't even know if it's slime.
And then I'm gonna use scissors to open this one.
I could use my hands. Okay, this is the sticky goo thing, I think. Nope, it's slime. It's slime.
That's good.
Yeah. Yes! Finally.
Yeah, that
Slime.
looks a little more like what it looked like in the video.
It actually smells good. Daddy, smell this.
It does. They put a scent in it.
Smell it.
Smell-o-vision. Here, take this white and add it to it.
Like mix it up and then make a light one.
Just streaks. You want some white streaks through there.
Okay, 1 second.
You're picking stuff up off the table. Okay, pick up the white. Just reach in and grab it.
Okay, I have to have 2 hands for this.
Watch it.
I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. This one's less sticky. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is so hard. Okay, we have to just twist twist, 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 twist.
Okay, and put it in the cup. Put it in the cup.
This might be
In the cup. In the cup.
In,
No. Get it skinny so that it can go into the cup. Okay. All right. Let's try to get this strawberry milkshake in there.
It's. I told you it's all like sticky and weird and stretchy.
It's a lot less.
It's
workable.
hypnotizing me to play with it. Sprinkle. Oh my gosh.
Can you get yours in there? You got a bit on your hands?
Why does Daddy get more slime? No fair.
Well, I was just collecting what you were dropping. That's why I ended up with this much.
I'm shoving this in.
How did you get it off so easily?
because you have like more harder hands, different kind of hand skin, okay?
Okay. I don't know why it's sticking to
No, I know, because yours is warmer, Daddy. Your hands are warmer.
You think so?
Yeah, your hands are warmer than mine. This is like the best, but the feel of the slime is actually very good feel, to be honest, but I don't like the glue part that much as the slime part. Which one do you like more, the slime or the glue?
I
would say the slime.
None of it, to be honest.
No, you have to choose one.
I'm not a fan of slime.
Yes, you are.
Can you help me here? Thank you. Take off whatever you want to keep, because I'm gonna use paper towel and wipe this all off
Hey,
afterwards.
no, I want everything.
Okay, then get going with it. She's just cleaning my hands for me now, because I don't know why it's sticking to me so much more than her. Maybe more surface area. Maybe it's my rougher skin.
Yeah.
It's grabbing.
And you have warmer hands.
Yeah. Luckily, it does rub off pretty easily with the paper towel, and then whatever remains a bit.
Yeah,
of
so
water.
which one do you like more?
Me?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Like slime or glue, which one's worse, sir?
I don't like either of them.
No, yeah, which one's worse, sir?
Well, I guess glue dries hard and sticks you to stuff, but I don't know. Whatever this is, I do not like.
It's slime.
Step number 4. Add cream. Take out slimy cream 1 and make a creamy swirl. Put it on the top of the milkshake. So what I found from that last one, the easiest thing to do is scissors across the top, if you're doing any of these, and then rip the seam. Hold on. Rip the seam all the way around.
Oh my gosh, my hands are still slimy.
Oh, this one just ripped right open.
My hands are still slimy.
But the other ones I ripped the seam. See, now she's being impatient and has to dig through here. Where the other way you could just lift it all out in one. There we go. Like that. There you go. Now you got it all.
It's like
in
a
one.
marshmallow. I like this feel.
Yeah, this is more like a Play-Doh, this one.
It's foam. It's like a foam, Daddy. Feel it.
Yeah,
It's more like foam.
it is. It's
not-
foamy kind of Play-Doh.
It's turning pink
This
because
is what
of
was
this.
in the video. This is what I thought it was gonna be like. More of this. Okay, bring it down here. What you gotta do is make,
A little swirl.
yeah, a little swirl.
Okay, we're gonna have to roll. Rolling. I think we have to roll until we get.
It's almost like a poop emoji.
Stop it!
Make like a poop emoji out of white whipped cream.
I don't know how. My dad could do such thing, but not me. My dad's expert.
Just make like a sausage roll and then wrap it around itself. Okay, now she's wrapping the bottom. And then she's gonna wrap the top. Make it look like little whipped cream.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna push this out to the edge there.
Okay. And finally,
There you go.
I am not good. I think we made the worst thing in the world.
No, it's good. It looks like real whipped cream.
For stickiness.
Okay,
And
and
just
now
flatten it.
step 5, add syrup and toppings. Take out slimy syrup. Hold on, stop. Take out slimy syrup 4 and drizzle it onto the milkshake. Decorate with sweet topping. So number 4. You have number 4? There you go.
It's almost like barely.
See, if you open it this way, then you got a nice flat, full thing that you can get the whole thing out at once.
It's
instead
not
of
even
having to dig it
sticky.
out. It's not sticky, it's just slimy.
Yeah.
It was just that first one that was super sticky, eh?
This one's a little sticky.
A little?
Do
Okay.
you want to feel it?
Sure. Yeah, that one's not sticking to me. That's much easier to work with.
I want to bounce it.
Look at how this one's now is slowly over time dripping down. I think they intentionally made that one more gooey so that it kind of drips.
Ooh.
Okay, now make a sausage out of that and wrap it around like, stretch it out a bit. Yeah, there you go.
Oola, 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 oola. Boo, 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 boo.
It says that there's a package of sprinkles. There we go, right here. This, you can add this on top of it. Here, you can just pour them out wherever you want. Don't go crazy that they fall all over the place though. Are they not coming out? Okay, pass it here. Pass it here. They've got jammed in there a little bit. Oh, they're foam. And they were jammed in so tight that they compressed a bit and we're stuck. Okay, give that a go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There's more on the table than on the milkshake. Oh, you didn't have to add them all. Okay, now we gotta clean up all these balls. Hold on a minute. Step number 6, mold your own decoration. Okay, open 3 packs of slimy sugar pastes, 1, and use the mold to make extra decorations. So now this is where I'm just gonna set this off to the side, and we're going to mold stuff. You're already into the package. Luckily these ones.
These are the marshmallow. It's
Yeah,
marshmallow
yeah,
again.
they're like marshmallow. They're gonna be easy to use.
It's marshmallow again. Yay.
And then it comes with this little mold that you can mold a bunch of different shapes.
Daddy?
It
Daddy.
would be nice if it was all like this. This stuff is so easy to work with.
Yeah. Okay, Daddy, 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 hands off. And we're gonna make the cutest milkshake in the world. I was thinking about an idea for it. But is the slime gonna dry?
I don't know. I think you.
We need a lid.
It says keep it or crush it. Store slimy in resealable bag included after play. So it says you can, after you finish it, you can put it inside a bag to try to keep it, or you can squish it.
Daddy, why did you make stuff without my permission? You don't even know the colors that I need to use.
Sorry.
Hey, give me that. Give me that. Come on, Dad. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
You stuck 2 colors together?
Oh no. Oh
Can you
no.
get them apart?
I think we just have to have orange.
Yeah, it's gonna be mixed now.
Okay, fine. Okay, so this is the end, guys. I hope you like the slime. And yeah, I did make a sprinkle mess.
It's extremely messy. A warning to parents. Both the slime is messy and the table's completely covered in sprinkles now. So it's just a warning on that.
If you have a daughter like me.
But she had fun.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more notifications. I don't even know how to say it.